Are you tired of spending endless hours chopping, slicing, and mixing by hand? Cooking should be fun and easy, but sometimes all that prep work just takes too much time and energy. Imagine having a tool that can handle all of that for you in seconds. That's where food processors come in. Today, we're diving into the best food processors of 2025. Machines designed to make life in the kitchen faster, simpler, and way more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, there's a food processor out there that can cut down on your prep time and take your cooking to the next level. You can find the links to the best prices for each product in the description below. Please note that the products are not ranked in any specific order, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. So without further ado, let's jump in. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Food Processor. The Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Food Processor offers an efficient and user-friendly way to handle meal prep with its versatile functions and sturdy design. It features a 500-watt motor that powers through ingredients with 2 speeds, plus a pulse option, making it adaptable for a range of tasks from chopping and shredding to pureeing and kneading. One of the standout features is the built-in bowl scraper, which eliminates the need to open the lid to scrape down the sides, ensuring consistent results and saving time during processing. The processor's 10-cup sealed bowl also prevents leaks, which is particularly helpful when preparing soups or sauces. Additionally, the Stack and Snap TM assembly system simplifies setup, no twist locking required, just an easy snap to secure the lid in place. Its big mouth or chute is wide enough for whole foods, reducing the need for pre-cutting, which speeds up prep time. This model comes with multiple attachments including a reversible slicing, shredding disc, and an S-blade for chopping and pureeing, allowing you to make anything from coleslaw to salsa effortlessly. Dishwasher-safe components make cleanup easy, and the unit includes a compact cord storage area for convenience on your countertop. Available for around $64 at major retailers like Target, this food processor is an affordable yet highly functional kitchen tool, ideal for both everyday and more elaborate meal preparations. Number 4. Breville Sous Chef Pro 16. The Breville Sous Chef Pro 16 is a powerhouse food processor, ideal for serious home chefs who want professional-grade performance. It boasts a 1200-watt motor capable of handling heavy-duty tasks with ease. The large 16-cup capacity bowl and an additional 2.5-cup mini bowl offer versatility for both large batches and smaller recipes. Key features include a variable slicing disc with 24 thickness settings, ranging from 0.3 meter for ultra-thin slicing to 8 meters for thicker cuts, giving users precision control over ingredient sizes. Additionally, the 5-inch wide feed chute accommodates whole fruits and large vegetables, significantly reducing prep time by eliminating the need for pre-chopping. The Sous Chef Pro 16 is equipped with an LED timer to monitor processing time, and the BPA-free dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning more manageable. However, Breville recommends hand-washing sharp blades to maintain their longevity. The model also includes useful attachments like a micro-serrated S-blade for chopping, an emulsifying disc for making creamy dressings and mayo, and a dough blade, perfect for kneading. Though priced around $500, the Sous Chef Pro 16 is premium build, quiet operation, and thoughtful design justify the investment for cooking enthusiasts and culinary creatives. Its various accessories come in a dedicated storage box, ensuring all parts are organized, though the number of attachments might require a bit of planning in the kitchen. Overall, this food processor offers robust versatility and performance that can handle almost any kitchen task with ease. Number 3. Cuisinart DFP14 BSKY Food Processor. The Cuisinart DFP14 BSKY Food Processor offers a robust solution for diverse kitchen tasks, powered by a 720-watt motor and featuring a 14-cup capacity work bowl. Priced around $250, this model balances functionality and design, making it an excellent choice for quick meal prep or more involved recipes. Its brushed stainless steel base provides durability and an elegant look that complements modern kitchens. This processor is particularly versatile, with an extra-large feed tube that can accommodate whole fruits and vegetables, reducing the need for pre-cutting. Additionally, it includes a 4mm slicing disc, a medium shredding disc, a chopping mixing blade, and a dough blade capable of kneading up to 3 pounds of dough within minutes. The setup ensures that everything from chopping vegetables to kneading bread dough is handled efficiently. The 14-cup Lexan work bowl is shatterproof and resistant to temperature changes, making it suitable for a range of food prep needs. Its straightforward button controls and pulse function offer precision, while the powerful yet quiet motor allows for seamless use without excessive noise. Standing 15 inches tall and 12.5 inches wide, it's designed for countertop convenience, balancing large capacity with a manageable footprint. A 5-year motor warranty and a 3-year warranty on parts add to its appeal, reflecting the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. With its high capacity, strength, and range of attachments, the Cuisinart DFP14 BSKY is a versatile, reliable choice for anyone looking to streamline their food preparation process. Number 2. Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor. The Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor is a versatile and high-performance appliance designed for efficient food preparation. With a 1200 peak watt motor, it handles tough ingredients with ease, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks from slicing and shredding to pureeing and dough making. Its 4-in-1 functionality includes preset Auto IQ programs that automate processing with timed pulses and pauses, delivering consistent results at the touch of a button. The processor features a 9-cup capacity bowl, ideal for large batches, making it a great fit for family-sized meals or entertaining. The stainless steel chopping blade and reversible slicing, shredding disc ensure precise cuts and even textures. Additionally, the extra-large feed chute reduces prep time by accommodating larger ingredients, allowing you to skip some chopping steps before processing. For convenience, its parts are dishwasher safe, which simplifies cleanup. Priced around $129, the Ninja Professional Plus balances performance and ease of use at an accessible price. Users appreciate its power and functionality, though some find it takes up a bit more counter space and produces moderate noise when operating at full power, common traits in high-wattage food processors. Overall, it's an excellent choice for home chefs looking to streamline meal prep with a powerful, multifunctional appliance. Number 1. Cuisinart Food Processor. The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor stands out for its robust build and versatile performance, making it a go-to kitchen tool for home cooks and bakers alike. Equipped with a powerful 720-watt motor, this food processor handles everything from chopping vegetables to kneading dough and creating smooth purees. The 14-cup Lexan work bowl is made from durable, shatter-resistant plastic, perfect for large quantities like shredding pounds of vegetables or blending multiple batches at once. Its extra-large feed chute minimizes pre-cutting by accommodating whole fruits and vegetables, allowing for quicker prep time. In terms of functionality, this model includes an S-shaped stainless steel blade, as well as slicing and shredding discs, all made of high-quality stainless steel. The single-speed operation with a pulse option provides straightforward control, ensuring consistent and precise cuts, mixes, and kneads for even complex recipes. Although its size is ideal for larger tasks, the processor's compact design allows it to fit neatly on most countertops, despite being on the heavier side. Priced around $250 to $300, the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor offers solid value for a machine of this capacity and quality. It's favored not only for its capability in larger, heavy-duty tasks, but also for handling delicate ingredients, ensuring fine purees, and even processing doughs with ease.